I fall like rain, will you still feel the same? Will you hold me and call out my name? If I'm lost in the crowd, will you shout out loud? Will you take me to the other side of town? When that sun,
I don't like contributing.
will you
It's what it takes.
will you turn around and fly away like a bluebird tailwind? It sounds just like the angels sing. Am I ever gonna see
The great cliff jump, 150 feet. And she came back up. It was death-defying.
If my heart turns blue, will it still belong to you? Will you keep it just like new? If I lose my way, will I hear you say you will make my tears go away? When that sun beams
soon. Everything's the fucking waterfall. Holy shit. I need to go in here. Oh god. Oh my god. I'm really getting cold in here. We gotta put the fucking zoom in. Here's another thing to do. Underneath here, if we can open this, let me open this side first. See these two these green things? Grab both of those and pull them out. Yep. Pull that out, back up. Pull them out, and you can start to figure out where the zippers go and stuff. Holy shit!
You go back out.
What?
I'm just afraid it's coming in too fast.
Yeah. Oh, circle. You can see it circle.
Okay. Got it.
Holy shit, look at that. Whoa, dude. Really? Oh my god.
Does that scare you?
No. That is cool. Whoa. Dude. I think it's time for me to turn left though. Whoa! Time for me to turn left. Yeah. I'm gonna have to go on the outside. Oh, I gotta drive. Hi guys, we having fun yet? There's sun out there. There's sun out there. Look at my poor dogs. Where's the third one?
She's over here.
Wow, they're everywhere. Whoa, look at that one over on the right.
best perspective would be you, like, down in here with me, though. Then you could really know what it's like.
There is no greater power. No man-made God will ever be. No man-made God will ever be.